Bye, SpongeBob. Bye, Dora. Bye, Candy Canes. See you till next year. What's that, David? Smoke from my truck? Yeah, don't touch it. It's yucky. Here comes David, look. Come over here. I hear it. David, come over here. Bye-bye, Christmas tree. You say bye-bye, Christmas tree. Is it garbage? Or is it recycle? Which one?
Big old truck.
Big old truck.
Big truck. You got a big truck?
Come on. You want Daddy to hold you?
Yeah.
I hear it.
I see you got a big truck. I see you got a doggy.
What do you hear? Oh, what is that? Here it comes. There it is.
Got a truck. Oh, got a truck. Got a truck. Did you see it?
You want to come and see? Come on. You want to come and see it? You want to hold him?
Hi.
Come on. Let's go see it. Let's go. Stay right here. Right here. What is it?
Got a truck.
Good, how are you? Here goes, David. You want to watch it? Hi. Here goes, David. Watch this. Look, there goes our Christmas tree.
Say bye. Bye, tree.
You guys see it? Bye. Here you go, Steven. Say bye.
Like a truck?
That was